Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Moralisa Rambai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: AICC to decide on 5 Congress MLAs who extend support to MDA government. Meghalaya Congress loses MDC of Ramrai constituency Bajop Pungrop. French Consultant General Mr. Didier Talpain and Ms. Anjita Roy Chowdhury, press attaché and diplomatic liaise, visit Secret Grove Mauplang Lau Kuntang. And cyclonic winds leaves trial of destruction in East Khasi Hills district. And now the news in detail. The decision on the 5 Congress MLAs who extended support to the National People's Party-led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government is up to the All India Congress Committee. This was disclosed by MPCC President Vincent Pala. Speaking to the media, Pala said the MPCC has submitted all its findings and opinions with regards to the Congress MLAs who have extended support to the government, and it is up to the AICC to decide on the matter. Meghalaya Congress today lost its prominent member and member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Bajop Pungrop, when he tendered his resignation letter to the party functionaries at Congress Bhavan at Police Bazaar in Shillong. Speaking to the media after tendering his resignation letter, Pungrop disclosed that he would formally induction into the National People's Party on the 31st of this month.
Mahila President resign the Vice President jong Garo Zone, Executive Member jong Garo Zone, cepat Secretary jong Ramrai Jerngan Block Congress Committee, ki Executive Member, ki Delegate jong DCC, baru ki list ki donangnya baru resign nak ngah, baru kamu ke Ramrai Block Congress Committee, baru kau kemudian showi, baru kau long dan setang katukan ni dari kita long ki sawan kadin katukan ni, ki kata kita digajing wan ben resign jong kalau ba nimpa ba mah marbangi sotu ba kajing shale kajongi kalau along sebab palan marba PI kumtu yu MLA jongi ru suspend de kata kita amdei kadau kajongi kebangi mi ko parti kongres ndrei kadai kajing syurut palat kini ki bahe jong parti kongres baka pra ke parti kongres dokat ne ngingim kwa banong kilangnya na kajing syurut jongki ba ngingin konsni konsensi la jong ndrei persyang menteri konsensi hakoi ka punta.
On the morning of 26th of March 2022, the French Consultant General Mr. Didier Talpain and Ms. Anjita Roy Chowdhury, press attaché and diplomatic liaise, on a 3-day official visit to Shillong from French Embassy, Kolkata, visited Lau Lingdo Mauplang Secret Forest under Hima Mauplang Kingdom, along with French Embassy officials accompanied by Mr. C. Alan Lingdo Mauplang, the Lingdo ruler of Hima Mauplang, Mr. John F. Karshiyeng, Chairman, the Grand Council of Chiefs of Meghalaya, Advisor and Spokesperson Federation of Khasi States, Mr. S. Solia and Mr. Karhunai, both Mintri of Hima Mauplang, escorted by a brilliant skillful guide who gave a detailed and in-depth account of the biodiversity and history of the famous sacred forest. The French Consultant General, during the walk inside the sacred forest, was also briefed by the Lingdo of Hima Mauplang on the various aspects of the culture, administration and the sacred rituals that was practiced inside the sacred forest by the Lingdo and their predecessors in the last 5 decades. Members of Seng Samla Maulai Pilun today visited the Martin garbage dumping ground at Maulai Mauyong in Shillong to see with their own eyes the condition of this place. During the inspection, the SSMP members saw that there was drastic improvement in this garbage dumping ground. These members said that the cleanliness in this place has drastically improved, and they also found the machines have used to burn the garbage. Speaking to the media, the president of SSMP, Samuel Biam, said,
Government kalatmu bersiap jaka hadu dek spa akar. Kajing temu hi kalong ba ki perkat ba ka khatra aga sika spa akar hi kalong ba nak benta kalong hadin jaki kun kesi ujongi le sia kun kesi ujongi ru kin hab ban the njut sakata jaka lani kin le na benta kata landfill ka bakil selek ke government nak benta kita ki na benta ka future ke dengan kerpat ing tu gisnong bakim ti ban tieng na benta ban ajaka na benta ka landfill si bentang no ifi dari island ban la island ban ai jaka sheway sha ki wi jaka ki belong outskirt na ki Shillong ki thau ni ai thui phi kan den man ki jing man toy yo le si ki jaka ki ba ka Shillong kam la su ban die ka rai kam la su ban die ha telak ba ka su government yo le si kan din man ki jing man toy na mata ki kan den man ka development kila ban yo ko slok kila ban yo ko mam di kila ban yo ya ka lan boarding.
The social organization belonging to Hneutrap Aceh National Movement Land Protection Cell and HANM North Border Zone today urged the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council to stop the land grabber Abhinash Sureka at Maikuli in Ribhoi district. In a letter submitted to the Chief Executive Member of KHADC, T. Khan, said, Abhinash Sureka has not only claimed ownership over the land at Maikuli, but has also started other businesses from this place. These members also said that if the KHADC does not do anything in this regard, they will be compelled to take their own actions.
Uyo borne, bawan ya ka private road hakanda usiap jong kita penro. Uyo borne banwan kit ya kita ki mau ki siap kita ki spa mariang jong ke jalan kelia, haba udai na gawai pat ke jalan na asam. Kumno ula ban wansna private road hakanda go siap jong gari be benreu without NOC nano ladai na gitrai khandau ladai na gasnong gathau ladai na gi bol brei pet kum kadit kusil lane ka trat land and revenue jong government of Meghalaya ne yole se don mono na gi breu gi jungi ki bala dito lane gi bala yele kam sop ya kane ka kamba kamsan lana ya ka dausan lana ya ka nda ko siap jong ka jaj penril ne jong ka jala adu ba unai karpo ai uwan ban sna private road uwan ban kit ya kita kimau ka siap uwan ban kamtrai ka seng kan sayid bnia ka seng kan sakmi bnia abada ka seng kalap kanom aili yeno noro naman ngi juang borbor ba ka nda ko siap uput usam kedai gari langi duno ikenda ko siap kumut ni gledo ikari tikum te brem kwa bakari jungi kendo nalor ka kenda ko siap kolong kaboret khamtam lele ha kena por hane pol benta baka jungi penbait sam kadang don hangte po MHA Government of India balai unu barjala wan ban kamtra ya kenda ko siap jong jaj penreo ne yole se ne don ne monoro kibala don kti hagaban di sop ne ban yale sop ya kenda ko.
Cyclonic winds left a trail of destruction in which 9 houses were blown away in East Khasi Hills district, causing enormous hardship to the affected people. According to the report, the strong winds blew away the rooftops of these houses and uprooted the trees. In this connection, 9 families lost their houses and many sustained minor damages, but fortunately, there were no casualties. The All Khasi Hills Aceh Federation President, Cliff Star C.H. Marak, has requested the government to provide relief and other assistance to these families. The president also added that the government should provide compensation to those families who lost their houses. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.